Okay, we're going to start a new series here. We're going to name it Plant of the Week. That's right. We're going to highlight a plant, talk a little bit about it, and give you some insight on maybe some plants you'd like to plant. Now, we're in Zone 8 or 8A in Northwest Oregon in the Willamette Valley here. So today, since it's our first one, we're going to do a bonus video today. Bonus plant. So here we go. Water lettuce. Pretty cool. It's for ponds, or even if you just have like a little goldfish bowl or something, you can throw one of these in here. The long roots help oxygenate the water. And planting these things are absolutely easy. There you have it. All right, next we have water hyacinth. That's right. These will get a nice purple flower, and like the water lettuce, which I forgot to mention, they will spread. These little pieces on the side here, they'll grow and make another plant right off of the mother plant here, which probably is a child plant or grandchild or great grandchild from another plant. But pretty soon you'll have so many of these, you'll be throwing them in your compost pile, and they will make good compost. And again, nice long root system. Here we go. Yep, just that easy. I planted it. Last is frog bit. Now, honestly, I can't remember the color, but I think it's a pinkish white. This one here, if you look, already has another plant coming off. Here's the stem growing out there, and if you look right here, you'll see the roots. We'll let this get 2 or 3 petals on it, and then we'll divide it. Yep, just like that, it's planted. All of these things will take over your pond fairly quickly, or any kind of water feature that you have. Share them with your neighbors, share them with whoever you know, friends, and enjoy them. The advantage of these is also that it takes some of the sunlight off the top of the water, so it helps control algae in that aspect. And the fish, believe it or not, do like to nibble on the roots. So there you have it. Nice little addition to any pond right there. So next week we'll have another new plant. We'll highlight. They're not all going to be water plants. They're not all going to be one type of perennial or annual or garden vegetable. We're just going to mix it up throughout the summer. All right. If you like this, give it a thumbs up. Consider commenting. And please subscribe. It helps our channel out a lot if you do any of those things. And check out our new merch store. Shameless plug. Got retired Lyfe shirts. So give them a check out. And we'll see you next time. Take care.